In example 6 of exercise 2.2c, we are asked to find the HCF of the following using index notation, that is to find the highest common factor of 350 and 280. So we shall divide this repeatedly using their common factors. So we have 350 and 280. So based on the conditions I have given you, rule for divisibility says once the last digit is even, such a number is divisible by 2. So since both of them are having zeros, it therefore means that 2 can divide. So 2 into 3 is 1, remainder 1. This becomes 15. 2 into 15 is 7 times remainder 1. 2 into 10 is 5. Do same with 280. 2 into 2 is 1. 2 into 8 is 4. 2 into 0 is 0. Can 2 divide? No. In as much as 2 can divide 140, 2 cannot divide 175. Because 5, which is the last digit of 175, is not an even number. So it's not divisible by 2. So we therefore test for the next possible number, which is 3. The condition for divisibility by 3 is that the sum of the digits in that number must be a multiple of 3. So if you add 1 plus 7 gives you 8, 8 plus 5 is 13. It therefore means that 3 cannot go. What about 5? 5 can go because the rule for divisibility of 5 is that the last digit must either be a 0 or a 5. So 5 can divide. 5 into 17 is 3 times remainder 2. 5 into 25 is 5 times. And 5 into 14 is said to be 2 times, remainder 4. 5 into 40 is said to be 8. 5 can no longer go because this is not a multiple. This is not 0 or 5. 7 can go because the last 2 digits is divisible by 7. 7 into 35 is 5 times. 7 into 28 is 4 times. So there is no other factor that can divide 5 and 4 without a remainder. So therefore our HCF is said to be the product of all the prime factors that are being used, which is 2 times 5 times 7. And 2 times 5 is 10. 10 times 7 is 70. So our HCF, or the highest common factor that can divide 350 and 280 without a remainder, is said to be 70. Kindly like my videos as you watch. While I recommend that you subscribe to my channel if you are yet to do so. Also turn on the notification bell so as to be notified whenever a new video is being uploaded. You can also use the comment section to interact with me on areas that are still difficult for you to understand. While I recommend you share the link with your friends and families so that they can also benefit from our daily classes. We shall then take the next example on exercise 2.2c.